Austin is known for its diverse and distinctive neighborhoods. From historic homes in established communities to sleek new builds in growing areas, curb appeal matters. Whether you're planning to stay long-term or thinking about resale value, the exterior appearance of your home plays a major role in first impressions. One upgrade that can dramatically improve your home's exterior is installing casement windows. With their clean lines, elegant proportions, and customizable design options, casement windows enhance curb appeal while delivering modern performance suited to Austin's climate. A sleek, contemporary-look casement windows are hinged on one side and open outward with a crank mechanism. When closed, they offer a smooth, uninterrupted glass surface with minimal framing. This clean design naturally complements modern architecture, which is increasingly popular in Austin. Homes with contemporary features such as mixed stone and stucco exteriors, metal roofing accents, bold color contrasts, geometric design elements pair beautifully with casement windows. The streamlined appearance reinforces modern styling while maintaining sophistication. Versatility for traditional Austin homes. While casement windows are often associated with contemporary design, they also enhance traditional and transitional homes. With customization options like decorative grille patterns, arched or specialty shapes, classic frame finishes, divided light designs, casement windows can blend seamlessly into more traditional architecture. In Austin neighborhoods with craftsman, ranch-style, or historic homes, these details allow homeowners to upgrade performance without sacrificing character. Maximizing glass for a polished exterior. One of the biggest visual advantages of casement windows is their expansive glass area. Because they don't rely on vertical sliding sashes, they provide a larger, more open glass surface. From the street, this creates a brighter, more inviting appearance. Clean sightline symmetry and visual balance. Homes with larger glass areas often appear more open and well-maintained, an important factor in curb appeal. Frame colors that elevate design. Modern casement windows come in a wide variety of frame colors and finishes. In Austin, darker exterior frames have become increasingly popular, offering striking contrast against lighter siding or brick. Black, bronze, or charcoal frames can highlight architectural features, add bold contrast, give homes a high-end, custom look for homeowners seeking a softer aesthetic. Neutral tones blend effortlessly with classic exterior palettes. Clean operation means clean lines when closed. Casement windows sit flush within the frame. Unlike some other window styles, there are no visible rails or meeting points in the center. This creates a symmetrical, refined look that enhances exterior design. From the curb, the uniform appearance of casement windows contributes to a polished and cohesive facade. Enhancing outdoor-indoor connection. Austin homeowners value outdoor living. Casement windows, with their large panes, allow natural light to flood interiors while showcasing landscaping and outdoor features. A home that looks bright and well lit from the outside naturally feels more welcoming. Well-placed casement windows can highlight gardens, patios, or scenic views, adding visual interest from every angle. Energy efficiency that protects appearance. Curb appeal isn't just about style, it's also about long-term durability. Austin's hot summers and intense sun exposure can take a toll on exterior materials. Modern casement windows include low-E glass coatings, insulated multi-pane glass, durable vinyl or fiberglass frames. These features prevent warping, fading, and moisture damage, helping your home maintain its attractive appearance for years. Increasing property value. In Austin, homes with updated windows often stand out in competitive Austin real estate markets. Buyers recognize the combination of style and efficiency that casement windows offer. Upgrading your windows signals that your home is well maintained and thoughtfully improved, a strong selling point if you decide to list your property. A smart upgrade for Austin homes. Casement windows enhance curb appeal by combining clean lines, expansive glass, customizable finishes, and long-lasting durability. Whether your home leans modern or traditional, they provide a refined, attractive look that elevates the entire exterior. For Austin homeowners looking to make a noticeable impact without a full exterior renovation, casement windows offer a stylish and practical way to boost curb appeal and long-term value.